Come on. Do it again. Jump out farther. Jump, 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 jump. Ah. Ah. Can you do it again?
Throw her again like you've been throwing her, letting her go under.
Can we go down up in the air?
Yeah.
All right, show me again. Hurry up, show me again.
Go down now. Okay. I'm moving. Go away. Okay. Jump. Oh, no.
That's too small.
Look at Nene. I'm going to throw you in the air, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Woo! You like that, don't you?
She said, woohoo!
She's gonna jump in.
Alright.
Move, Jenny. Say move, Jenny. Ready?
Okay. Jump. Jump.
Jump. Come on.
Come on, Shaq.
Jump. You put that on Facebook.
You want to jump?
You started something, you know that?
You want to jump? Okay.
She's a little fish, that's for sure.
Jump, jump.
She's going back again.
Them little floaties are good, but I don't know if I like them or not. The other ones were better.
Did they have a pink floater like that?
No, they had green and orange.
I want the green one.
They said that right there is good for lifeguard safe.
No, it's something else.
You jump it again? Jump into my arms.
Tell her move.
She said back.
Go. Woo! You're so
All right, I love you. I gotta walk in here. That's pretty good.
Jump.
One more time.
Yay! You're so smart. You want to get thrown? Good job.
One more. One more time and then I'm going to cut it off.
2. Alright, go. Get on there and go jump for Nene one more time. Okay, I'm backing up. I'm going. I'm backing up right now. Okay, alright, jump in. Jump as far as you can. Jump.
Little fish. Swim to Jennifer.
I'm gonna get you then.
She says nope.
I'm gonna get you. Go up to Nene and tell her you love her.
I love her too.
Come on, let's go tell Nene we love her.
You say I love you, Mama. Hey, your mama's gonna watch this, so I say I love you, Mama. Turn around.
Look at the camera and wave bye.